Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Fish pie. That's what we're having today, guys. I don't think I've ever made a fish pie on my channel. I know I've tried them from the shops, but I don't think I've ever actually made one. I might be wrong, but I can't remember making one. Anyway, we're going to make one today. We're going to cheat. That's what we're going to do. We're not going to buy a pre-made one. Well, maybe, sort of. Let me show you. So that's what we got, guys. Fish pie mix from Tesco, Schwartz fish pie sauce. I'm going to put a bit of parsley. I didn't know whether you could have the fish sauce, but whether you could use the parsley one instead, or whether it's made different. I'm not very clued up on like white sauces and all that. I'm not really very clever on because I don't have them often. So I just thought I'd get that, and I'm going to stick a bit of parsley in it anyway. I presume you can, but it's just, I don't know. Mushy peas and potatoes, which I've already peeled and chopped. Nat and the lads are having a curry, which is all made. You'll see in there. But I'm having a fish pie. So first thing first, I want to get me them on to boil. Right, first things first then, get some kitchen towel. I'm going to pat dry me old fish while the potatoes are boiling. There's loads of fish there, look. The problem with them shop bought ones, you don't get much fish in them, do you? You get more potato than anything, don't you? That's what I find anyway. Let's pat them all dry. We'll leave them there for a few minutes because we're in no rush, we're waiting for the spuds. Okay guys, let's get the fish into a bowl now. Get out another little pat. And we'll season it while it's in the bowl. Love a bit of fish, love a bit of battered fish anyway. But I haven't had a fish pie for a long time. I know that much because there's only me who eats fish in the house. So I don't have it often. So at the minute, I'm losing a little bit of weight. I can have it. Because it's worth it. Salt, pepper, fish sauce. And I did find this when I done this the other day. On my pan fried fish. I found it alright. That was what was it, a lemony, was it a garlicky lemon or something it was, or something like that, if I can remember. When I had it with my mushy peas. I'm having mushy peas again, guys, because I've got loads of tins. I do love a mushy pea and I keep buying them, and I've got loads in the cupboard, so I'm just going to use them all up. We'll give that a shake and a mix. And we got some parsley cut up. We'll put a bit of that in there. Some fresh parsley. And I'll save a little bit to the end to put on the top. Okay, just waiting for the potatoes. Okay, potatoes are done. So we want a bit of butter. You'll be pleased to know I ain't had no butter for the last couple of vids. I've got some now. Went to Lidl yesterday. Didn't mean and that. Popped down there and that. And the mooch around. There wasn't a lot there, to be honest with you, but we went for a mooch anyway. Let that melt for a couple of seconds, guys, and then start mashing away. I am, by the way, I'm going to stick a little bit of cheese on the top, just to make it brown and nice and crispy. We need some salt, and most important, a good old pepper. And a little bit of milk, just a drop. There we go. Now get your mash nice and smooth. Now get your fish pie and put your good old spuds on top. And flatten it out, guys. Or do what I'm going to do. The rustic look. Or pipe it if you want. I won't be no good at that stuff, I'll tell you that much. If you've seen me do bacon and that, I'm not the best. Yeah, I think I'll just keep it rustic, eh? As long as the edges are covered. This is going to serve, what, 4 here, I suppose, this? Because this is a big dish, this. I used 4 potatoes, there's only little ones though. And a bit of grated cheese on top, guys. In the middle. It's only Aldi stuff, Aldi mature. This is. There we go. In the oven for maybe, what, half an hour? As always, guys, with my peas. A teaspoon of good old mint sauce. You can use proper mint, I suppose, if you wanted to. But I like this mint sauce in your peas. Just gives it a nice little yummy flavour. I'm using the same pan. I've already washed it out, so. There is Nat and the lads. Oh yes, samosas, there was egg fried rice which I made. Me curry, that's the jalfrezi, guys, by the way. Wish I'd have had this now. And there's the lads anyway, the one that don't like samosas. So, no naan breads today. Right, on to mine. How is it, babe?
That's really nice, babe. Thank
really
you.
Nice?
Yeah.
Good on ya.
Those samosas are nice.
Hey? I ain't got your mic on. Oh, I have. The samosas are nice?
Yeah, them samosas are nice. They're nice ones, I like them.
You like them ones?
Yeah.
That ain't coming on today.
Curry's nice as well.
She's got to get in the shower in a minute.
Curry's nice.
Hey?
Curry's nice.
Yeah. Nice.
Really tasty.
Good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Fair play. There we go. That's all I like to hear.
Thank you.
I wish I'd have had that now because it does look quite nice actually.
Really nice.
But never mind. I'm just waiting, guys. I've got a couple of minutes to go just for it to brown up a bit more.
You got it just right.
Just right.
Yeah.
Well, I bought the packet stuff. I bought this.
Oh, that one.
But I've done my own season of marinating it.
That's nice.
I've done some turmeric and some tikka masala.
It's really nice.
That's what I've done. It's nice.
Really tasty.
Put extra bit of garlic in there and that.
Don't taste
You know what I mean? No, I'm okay, bub. So nice, yeah. I mean, that used to be like 95p, then it's £1.70 now.
What?
From Aldi. You know what I mean? But they are nice for convenience, aren't they?
Yeah, they are nice. I do like them ones.
But £1.70 now. Ripping you off a bit, ain't it, from a couple of years ago. Okay, guys, I'm going to get mine out because I'm absolutely starving. I can't wait any longer. I mean, my oven gloves, all that smells nice. It's fish pie, babe. Oh, no, eh? There it is. Oh, yes. That looks delicious, doesn't it, guys? I'll put a little bit of parsley left, I'll just sprinkle it on top. For the content. Just like that. Let it cool down, then I'll get some on my plate. Okay, guys, let's dish up. Still going to be boiling hot. Back there, I reckon. Half like that, eh? Yeah. Will I be able to get it out with a spatula? Or I need to use me. Good old fish pie. Oh yes. Bit of juice. On the side. Oops. And we'll get some mushy peas on the side. Or over the top. Maybe like that. And there we go, guys. Fish pie and mushy peas. Oh, yes. I'm not, as I said at the beginning, I'm not sure if I've made a fish pie on my channel before. I don't think I have. Not a proper one where you make it from scratch and the sauce and that, because I'm not very good at that. But these, for a cheats pie, nice and convenient. It don't half look bad. And what was the meat? What was the fish? A £5, £5.10 I think. The sauce was £2.40. That's without the club card from Tesco. That's all right. Needs a little bit more pepper in there though. For my liking. How's your curry, darling? You know,
It's really nice.
Is it really nice?
I'm really enjoying this. I don't know if it's because we haven't had one for ages or what.
Yeah, we haven't had a curry for a while, have we? We haven't had a curry for a while.
Nope.
Hey, that ain't half bad, you know. For a cheats meal, yeah, I can't fault of that. You can always season your sauce to your liking, couldn't you? Bit of paprika in there, I suppose, in the sauce. I love paprika.
You could do anything, couldn't you?
Yeah, could do anything, couldn't you?
Or add anything you wanted to. It's your own individual taste. So even if it's a cheap one, you can still add.
Yeah, you can add what you want, can't you? I know these white sauces don't take long to do, but I think I've done a white sauce on something before.
Roux, you did a roux.
A roux, yeah.
Well,
What did I call it? A rux, didn't I, or something?
Yeah, you did a roux sauce.
roux, yeah.
They are quite...
I'm not very good expert yet. I'm not expert at anything, but I don't very rarely do them.
I don't
So this
like
something
white
like this
sauce.
would do me. You know what I mean?
You're not a big fan of white sauce, neither, are you?
I don't mind it like
This,
fish
that
and
sort of
parsley
stuff.
sauce and stuff like that. But if it was like chicken and mushroom pie, I'd prefer a steak pie.
Yeah.
I'd eat them. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, there we go. We'll call it a cheats fish pie, eh?
How long did that take you to make? Not very long.
Don't think like, you
An
gotta wait
hour.
for the potatoes to boil. Mash the potatoes and you just put it in the oven till it browns up. Or you put it in the air fryer, I suppose. You know what I mean? And just cook the fish through. Took about half hour in the oven, that.
What fish you got today? A mixture.
It's a mixture.
Oh, then once you get up Tesco,
Yeah,
there's bag things.
Yeah.
That was good.
But say they do the frozen ones as well, which are a lot cheaper. But you can't season them because it's frozen already. You know what I mean? And it does say on there, best to cook from frozen, so you might as well just get the fresh ones if you're doing that. Or go and buy yourself some cod and some smoked haddock, more powdery.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm going to go, guys. The lads wants to come down. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.